Placed in the middle of a tectonic plate, Australia has been spared the relatively recent violence of volcanoes and continental collisions. It is the oldest and flattest land on Earth. Australia is also the world's driest inhabited continent. Water means the difference between life and death. Half the continent is home to less than 1% of the population. Among them are sheep farmers Carol and Lindsay Godfrey.
We now use a helicopter because we are having an extremely difficult time getting employees to come and work for us.
The couple runs their sprawling sheep station themselves.
I like to think I'm the boss, but I very much doubt that. I do all the financial management and the strategic planning. Carol pretty much looks after the everyday stock issues.
Like many Australian farmers, their livelihood depends on regular rainfall. But the weather here is at the mercy of a meteorological mayhem. It's a phenomenon created thousands of miles away across the Pacific. Known as El Niño, fluctuations in ocean temperature mean that Australia faces unforgiving cycles of droughts and floods.
When you have a good season and things are good, it's the best place on earth. But the last 3 or 4 years has been quite difficult. We've had a lot of tough times, but we're still confident that we'll come out the other end all right and the climate cycles will spin around for us. So we're absolute optimists, or we wouldn't be here.
Fortunately, many Australian farmers have a helping hand. The secret to outback life is a vast underground aquifer known as the Great Artesian Basin. For 2 million years, the basin has been collecting water, enough to fill 20 billion Olympic swimming pools.
I'm just going up to check the middle plank of wood. It's not quite square with the rod going through it, so I just want to go up and check it. It should be right.
Water lies under 1/5 of the continent.
It's our lifeblood.
Windmills are a constant reminder of the outback's hidden lifeline.
To come up here and see it all full and working, it's a huge relief.
In a parched, flat land, always threatened by distant and deadly weather, this life-giving liquid reaches back from Australia's prehistoric past.
It's liquid gold out here. Without the Artesian Basin, a lot of this country would be useless.